Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazing on this wonderful Wednesday. Today's video is going to be this turned out to be a one brand tutorial. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. This video is going up on Wednesday. I received a PR package from Wet n Wild. They sent over their new holiday collection, so I was like, you know what? Holidays are approaching and it's affordable. It's Wet n Wild. We're putting it to the test. One thing led to another. I ended up running to Walmart to pick up a few items that I didn't have from Wet n Wild, as far as like concealer, primer, setting spray, and foundation. So this turned out to be a one brand tutorial using the new Wet n Wild holiday collection. If you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy drugstore reviews, holiday product reviews, things like that, or one brand tutorials. With that said, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as turn on your little bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight onto this video, you guys. Yay! I'm excited. Let's start off with the primer, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, can you guess, the matte primer. I went to Walmart to see what they had, and they don't have a lot of selection. They have this one in the matte, they have a hydrating one, and I believe they had like a makeup remover stick, but this is the one that obviously I wanted to choose. I didn't see any pore filling ones. If you guys know if Wet n Wild has one, definitely share with me in the comment section down below, but this is the one that I picked up because hello, I am oily. Actually, before we do that, let's go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. This is Prep, Set, and Refresh. I do have my skincare like laid down. I don't know what is up with my skin, you guys, but it is crazy dry, like ridiculous. I've never had such dry skin. Even the back of my ears is peeling because it's dry. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, where's my little fan? I left it somewhere upstairs in my purse. Babe, can you bring me my fan? It's upstairs on the white couch. Thanks, honey. Okay, so that has dried on the skin. Let's go in with this mattifying primer stick. Just going to use a stippling brush to kind of like push the product into the skin. That way it's nice and spread, and it's also going to push the product into the pores so it minimizes the pores at the same time. I think that is good enough. Before I go in with foundation though, I am going to do a little bit of color correcting just right here. Do you guys see this like nasty little blackhead? Oh, I swear this pore just like enjoys being filled with makeup and nasty stuff because it always gets a blackhead right there, and then when I squeeze it out, I always get a little mark. For foundation, I had to pick up a new one because I haven't used this in a few years, probably a year or maybe 2 years. So I did throw out my old one, and I don't know, I was never crazy about this foundation, so we're going to test it out again. This one is in medium dark desert beige. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a little too dark for my skin tone, but that's okay. We're just going to give ourselves a nice little tan. They didn't have the shade before it. So I had to settle with this one. Before we actually go into the foundation, let's open this up. So this is the 10-piece brush set. This says, don't brush over this. Our limited edition peach crystal filled brushes are striking to the eye and soft to the touch. Create your holiday glam with these gorgeous brushes to match your look. Now the set includes here one shader eye brush, one tapered blending brush, one flat contour brush, one flat foundation brush, one large powder brush, one blush brush, one fan brush, one tapered highlighting brush, one fluffy blending brush, and one concealer brush. Now this one retails for $30, which is actually a really good price for an entire set. I don't think I've ever tried many like Wet n Wild brushes, so I'm really excited to try this one. Oh my god, these are so cute. So these do have the little crystals infused, or like little peach colored crystals. That is so cute. Okay, so we're going to take this one and we're going to buff in the foundation just so we can test out the brush. Ooh, I am getting some shedding from the brush, so I don't know if you have to wash these brushes first, but I am, ooh, there's like a few hairs. There's one right there and another one here. Okay, this foundation is actually not bad. It's definitely not full coverage because it didn't conceal that, but it's not bad, and it did do a really good job at blending with this little brush, so hopefully no more little bristles come off. I am really digging this foundation. I totally forgot what it looked like on the skin. So with that, we are going to move on to the concealer. I also picked up the Photo Focus concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. This is a shade that I used to use, and I think it might be like about my skin color. So I should have gone a shade lighter, but that's okay. We're just going to make it work. We're going to conceal these under eye circles because, girl, they are not playing today. I think that's pretty decent. I remember this concealer giving me like medium coverage using my Juno sponge. Oh, this concealer is really full coverage. I also had not used this concealer in a hot minute because I actually ran out of it. For setting powder today, I am going to use this one by obviously Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus Banana shade. If you guys are my skin tone, you have to try this powder. I think this is hands down one of the best like drugstore baking powders that I've ever used. I just love how lightweight it is, and it does give you a nice brightening effect underneath the eyes, and it sets the skin. It leaves it nice and smooth and velvety. So if you guys have been looking for an affordable one, this one is your go-to, and I'm pretty sure, I'm like 99% sure that they have like a translucent shade. Never tried this one, but this one is so bomb. I'm going to grab a little bit more, and I'm going to go underneath my contour, and I'm just going to bake it. For bronzers, I have two, but I think I'm going to use this one. I know this one was a limited edition product, but use whatever Wet n Wild bronzer you have. This one right here is something that you can get at Walmart. Is the Ticket to Brazil, which is this one. Now, this one is way too light for my skin. Obviously, like, I'm a little morenita, so this isn't going to show up on me at all. So I'm going to go in with your Dragun Me Down bronzer. Like I said, this was a limited edition products. I don't remember. I think this was from their Fire and Dragon or Fire and Ice collection, something like that. So I'm just going to use this to bronze up the skin. And for that, I'm going to take, which one should I take, you guys? Oh, they both look really good. They have a contour brush. But I think I'm going to use this one maybe for contouring my nose or something. Let's just tap into there, and I'm actually going to mix these two. Why not? Since we were both out here. Just add a little warmth to the skin. P.S. This brush is not shedding at all, but I would suggest if you guys are going to get this set for yourself to maybe wash the brushes first and then use them. That way, if there's like any excess hair that might be sitting on the top, it'll just kind of like fall off, and you don't have to worry about getting on your skin when you're using them. I thought I had a blush from Wet n Wild, but apparently I don't. So I'm just going to take this one by Rimmel London. This is the Sweet Cheeks blush. I'm using this little brush, which is really good. I really like this one for the blush. It just applies that super nicely. Let's move forward with the highlighter, shall we? So we're going to use this little fan brush. Now, I typically don't use these little fan brushes. Not a fan of them. They're a little like flimsy, but we're going to try it. So with this holiday set, you also get, or they also have this Mega Glow highlighting palettes. On the back, it comes with the shade names. We have here White Lily, which is a really pretty white with like violet undertones. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, she's pigmented. To the left, we have Botanic Dream, which is a really pretty pink. If you are a fan of like pink highlighters, this one's for you. On the bottom, we have Blossom Glow, which is like a softer peach, but it's, or a softer pink. So it still has those pink undertones, so you guys see that. And then the very last one is Golden Flower Crown, which is a golden highlight, and that's the one that I'm going to use because those are the shades that I gravitate towards. So this one is only $10. Even if you got this whole set for somebody, $30, $40, $50, $55 for a whole set for a gift, I think that is a very reasonable price. If you're doing like a Secret Santa or something like that, I think that'd be pretty cool because you get 4 highlighters, you get 32 pan eyeshadow palette plus 10 brushes. You just can't beat that. Let's move on to the exciting part from this video. This is the holiday collection 32 pan eyeshadow palette. From bold shimmery blues and purples to warm matte hues of browns and oranges, this palette offers a gorgeous mix of versatile shades that can take your look from natural to full-on glam. This one retails for $15, which again is very reasonable for the price. 32 pounds, not bad at all. If this formula is anything like the little singles that they come out with, this palette is going to be bomb, you guys. So I'm not sure what look I want to go for. Like, look at all these shades. Look at how beautiful this palette is. It's just everything about it, it just screams holiday. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the darkest color first. So I'm going to dig into this deep forest green. And I'm going to take the brush that is this one. I think this is the shader, the flat shader brush. And I'm just going to pick up, wow, there's a lot of like kick up because there's a lot of pigment. And I'm just going to lay this down on the lid. After that, I'm going to jump onto this color right here, which is like a nudie peach color, and that's what we're going to use to blend. I am taking this blending brush, and we're just going to help diffuse the color that we just laid down. This color, it looks promising. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. This, I mean, these colors together in general are just so pretty, but this color is amazing on its own. This would look so beautiful if you were on the go. Just throw it all over the lid, all over the crease, and then add a little bit of highlight to the eyes, and you would have a quick and easy look. I'm going to take this shade right here. Now this color is the same shade on the Comfort Zone palette, because if you guys see how, I don't know if you guys can see that, but do you guys see how it shifts? This one right here. I'm going to wet this brush right here, and then we're going to just lay it all over the lid, taking my little spray. This is probably one of my favorite shades from Wet n Wild, like in general. It's just such a gorgeous and unique shade. I mean, I've seen these shades like everywhere now, but I remember when this first came out, this palette, the Comfort Zone palette, like a few years back, it was all the rave. I think I did a look on it like years ago. And I'm just going to go back into that dark green color with that same brush and just diffuse the edges. I'm going to step off camera, and to finish off the eyes, I'm going to do the same routine as I did up here to the lower lash line. I don't have anything else like mascara or anything, so I'm going to pop some lashes, and then we can come back and finish off the lips. I'm just going to go in straight with lip gloss. Yeah, I'm going to go in with lip gloss since I've already lined my lips. I use my KKW Nude 2 liner, and I'm going to go in with Caught You Bare Naked. This is the Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick, which is a lip gloss. I'm actually going to mix a little bit of this Sen Nudes because, yeah, this is in the color that I wanted, so much better. And then I am going just to finish off the face by applying a little bit more setting spray. So that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on the new holiday sets by Wet n Wild. Just a quick rundown, guys. I think I really enjoyed everything. Like, these eyeshadows, really creamy, very easy to blend. The brushes are very decent for the price. So I think these are great gift sets to get if you are on a tight budget, but you are gifting somebody that is a makeup lover. I think these are great. So if you guys do end up seeing them at CVS or Walgreens or anywhere else, leave a comment down below. That way everybody can kind of get an idea of where to find them. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, you guys.